Good morning, students. Today we will do exercise 11V word problems. 6 word problems are there and these all are in syllabus. See question number 1. Deepak purchased 5 kilogram 270 gram of potatoes and 2 kilogram 450 gram of onions. How much weight of vegetable did he purchase? So what by reading the question you can understand what we will do here. We will do the addition of weight of potatoes and weight of onions, okay, and you will get the total weight of vegetable. So how you will write it? Like this: weight of potatoes 5 kilogram 270 gram, weight of onions 2 kilogram 450 gram, total weight. You can do the addition and you will get the answer. Okay, now come to question number 2. Karthik's doll weighs 2 kilogram 890 gram and Manohar's doll weighs 3 kilogram 890 gram. What is the weight of both the dolls? So to find the weight of both the dolls, what we will do, we will add the weight of Karthik's doll and Manohar's doll and you can do the addition yourself. Okay, now see question number 3. A family consumed 80 kilogram 570 gram of wheat and 15 kilogram 490 gram of rice in a month. In all, how much cereals did the family consume in that month? First of all, you will write weight of the wheat and then write weight of rice, then add them, you will get the total weight of the cereals. Okay, addition you can do yourself. The question number 4. The weight of watermelon is 3 kilogram 425 gram. The weight of a pineapple is 2 kilogram 530 gram. By how much is the watermelon heavier? So here firstly they have given the weight of watermelon and then they have given the weight of pineapple. Okay, you write the weight of watermelon and then write the weight of pineapple. Okay, and we have to tell here how much watermelon is heavier. So how can you tell? By subtracting. Okay, they haven't asked here the total weight of the fruits. In question they have asked how much the watermelon is heavier. So what we will do here, we will do the subtraction. Okay, how we will write? Weight of watermelon 3 kilogram 425 gram, weight of pineapple 2 kilogram 530 gram, and do the subtraction. 5 minus 0 5, take 1 from here, 3 is here and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 3 9 and carry 1 from here, it will become 2. This 3 will become 13. 13 minus 5 8, 2 minus 2 0. So how much watermelon is heavier than pineapple? 895 gram. Okay, now see question number 5. There were 8 kilogram 250 grams of apples in a carton. 5 kilogram 825 gram of apples were moved. What will be the weight of the apples left in the carton? So first of all you write the weight of apples, then the weight of apples removed, then weight of the apples left. We have to find the weight of the apples left here. So what we will do, from the total weight of apples we will subtract the weight of the apples removed and you will get the weight of apples left. Then 6th question. Sanjay bought 100 kilogram of wheat for his family for a month. Out of this, the quantity of wheat consumed was 76 kilogram 450 gram. What quantity of wheat was left? So weight of wheat Sanjay bought, then subtract the weight of wheat consumed, then you will get the weight of wheat left. Okay, so how we will write? See, weight of wheat 100 kilogram they have given simply, and these 3 zeros for doing subtraction I have written from my side. Okay, in grams 3 zeros will come. Weight of wheat consumed 76 kilogram 450 gram. 0 minus 0. Now we can't subtract 5 from 0, so I take 1 from here, this 1 becomes 0, this 0 become 10, then I take 1 from here, it will become 9, then this 0 become 10, then I take 1 from here, it become 9, and this 0 become 10, I take 1 from here, it will become 9, and this will become 10. 10 minus 5, 5, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 6, 3, 9 minus 7, 2. Do these 6 sums in your fair notebook in a good handwriting. Okay, and send your work in app daily. Complete your work regularly. Thank you. Have a nice day.